9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, county emergency management officials reported flash flooding in many areas of Cookeville and across Putnam County. An additional 1 up to 2 inches locally of rainfall has already occurred on saturation ground conditions over the last hour. Isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms will continue moving over the county over the next few hours and could result in additional flooding across the county. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cookeville, Algood, Monterey, and Baxter. This includes Interstate 40 near mile marker 270, in between mile markers 272 and 303. Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for Putnam County in Middle Tennessee until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, emergency management reported some isolated to scattered showers and possible an isolated thunderstorm or two continuing to move into southwest portions of the county. Over the last 3 hours, per NOAA radar estimates, many locations across the county have experienced around 3 inches of rainfall. Locations just south of and east of Algood have received between 4 to 6 inches of rainfall. Emergency management reports that high water is still likely in many locations across the county. These isolated to scattered showers and an isolated thunderstorm or two could bring an additional half to around an inch of rainfall to already saturated ground conditions as they move across the county over the next hour or so. Even as these areas continue to move northeast and the rainfall ends, the flooding threat will still continue as runoff from rainfall will likely continue. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cookeville, Algood, Monterey, and Baxter. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 270 and 304. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Alabama has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Morgan County in north central Alabama, southeastern Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 8:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated that heavy rain has already fallen across the warning area, with between 1 and 2 inches over the last hour. Additional thunderstorms producing torrential rainfall will arrive in the warning area by 7 a.m., with flash flooding expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Decatur, Hartselle, Moulton, Falkville, Speake, Neal, Massey, Basham, and Eastern Bankhead National Forest. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Alabama has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Marshall County in northeastern Alabama, southwestern DeKalb County in northeastern Alabama, until 8:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:56 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated that heavy rain has already fallen across the warning area, with between 1 and 2 inches over the last hour. Additional thunderstorms producing torrential rainfall continue to redevelop across the warning area, and flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Albertville, Boaz, Guntersville, Ranksville, Crossville, Fife, Geraldine, Lakeview, High Point, and Skirham. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. a.m. Central Daylight Time, officials from North County reported that flowing water had led to numerous road closures in that county. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have already fallen, and with additional heavy rainfall points through into the region, flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Winchester, Winsbury, Deckard, Estes Springs, Tim's Ford Lake, Mulberry, Chestnut Ridge, Harmony, Belleville, and Herdlow. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warm area with higher ground immediately, residents living along streams decrease and take obvious precautions to protect life and property. Northern Marshall County in northeastern Alabama, southeastern Madison County in north central Alabama until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:53 a.m. Central Daylight Time, the radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. At some locations that will experience flooding include Southern Huntsville, Guntersville, Owens Cross Roads, Grant, Union Grove, Eddy, Columbus City, Whiteford, and Lake Guntersville State Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.